Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I am back with another video today. Hey, how you doing? Okay guys, so today's video was another holiday look, but this look is a collab with these beautiful, beautiful people, honey. Too many people to name. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to go ahead and showcase all of their beauty. Okay. Okay guys, so make sure that you check out all of their videos after you're done watching mine. I'll leave everybody's video down in the description box, all their links and things like that, all that good. Make sure you continue to watch my videos so you can see how I got my holiday look. But before we get into all of this, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you're notified. Thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends. You already know, sis. Join that flower gang, sis. We live over here. We creating looks out here, okay? Looks, honey. Remember to bloom because the flowers are so blossoming in nature. Mwah. Hey y'all, hey. Okay, so we're gonna go with my Kypris Glow Serum. Yes. I'm just gonna rub that all in, and after that I'm gonna go in with my Sistar Cosmetics Primer. And we're just going to, of course, rub that all in as well. Then we're going to go and start using our ColourPop foundation. This is Dark 194. Y'all, I was pissed. Mad sad. So I'm just taking my beauty blender and I am just, this is actually from Morphe. And I'm just going to, of course, go ahead and rub that in. This beauty blender was actually not damp, and I'm not sure why I did this without it damp, but it is what it is. It gave me what I needed to get anyway. And now I'm going in with my ColourPop concealers, and I'm just going to start highlighting and contouring my face. Excuse me if you hear like static in the background. My heat is on New York City project mode. I don't even live in the projects, but the heat in my building is out of pocket. Like, anyway. So I am going in and I'm using my, I thought that was my Morphe brush, but I was blending my contour. And then I'm doing my nose, and then I'm going in and I'm doing my highlight. Something I've been doing a lot lately is that I now do my contour before my highlight. And I feel like it just gives me a better, I don't know, it just gives me a better blend between those lines of highlight and contour. I'm not sure why. Or I'm just, I don't know, it's just working for me. So that's just my new jam. And this is also my new jam. I'm actually like carving out my cheekbones a little more. And I just feel like it gives me like a more defined and bomb look. You see me bouncing around. I'm listening to Afro beats while I'm doing this video. So you might see me like, you know, looking a little weird, but that's why. So now I'm going with my banana setting powder. And this is the banana one. And I am just going to set my highlight. And then I'm going to start spooling my, we ain't doing our brows on camera, so we did our brows. And then we primed our lids. And now I'm going in with my Blushing Berries palette from Dose of Colors. And I'm using the lightest shade in that palette. I can't remember the name right now, but they are on the back. And then I went in with the two browner shades together. And now I'm going in with the black to make it, to define my crease a little more. And of course, everything you do to one eye, you do to the other. Alright, so now I'm going to cut my crease. I am so focused because what I want to do is, like, I've been hinting at it kind of with my looks, because I'm just trying to, like, challenge myself a little bit more with these cut creases, because it's like, alright sis, you cut your crease, okay, we know. So now I'm going with my Shanel Cosmetics Pigment, Neon Pigment. This is the pink one, and I'm just going over that that concealer that I put, and I'm just going to pack it in on that line so that it looks like a liner. Now, Shanel does have a glow sauce that makes this stuff stick better. I couldn't find mine. I do have it, but I just could not find mine. But that would have made it stick better. So once I'm done with that, I'm going back in with my concealer. This is the LA Girl Concealer in the color Golden Beige. And what I'm going to do, sis, is I'm just going to go ahead and cut the crease again, honey. Yes, we double cutting, okay? I think this is considered a double cut crease. Is it? I don't know. I feel like it is. So I'm cleaning up the liner first. And then after that, we're going to go on the lid and we're just going to, like, put the color there, as you can see now. So the theme of our collab is glitter, glitter, glitter. So guess what we're going to do on the eyes? Glitter. That was my NYX glitter glue. Now I'm putting it all over my lid. I actually need more of this. The top broke off. It's already tacky when you put it on. I'm just in why is my life always in shambles? So this is my glitter from, oh my gosh, I just remember who it was from and then I just lost it. I'll put it down in the description box. I got this like on sale for like $1. But this glitter is so poppin'. It has like this green kind of reflection to it. It's silver and I think it's looking really, really pretty with the pink. So I was going to take the glitter all the way and then I was like, sis, bring some dimension. So what I'm doing now is I'm going back in with the black and I'm just putting it in the corner of that liner, in the liner of the eye, and then I'm going to go back with the glitter and put the glitter a little bit on the black so it looks like it's kind of like faded out. So I went into the other side. Now we're dusting off all the excess powder. Yeah, because it takes me so long to do my eyes, that powder been sitting on for so long, but that's okay because I have naturally combination oily skin, especially in my T-zone, so I'm usually fine after I do this. But if you're not, I would just dust it off and then just put some for your under eyes in case you do your base first. So now I'm going in with my MAC NW58, excuse me, and I'm going to contour with my Morphe E4 brush. And now I'm using my Sistar Berry Blush, Duo Berry Blush. That is my Beaute Bakerie So Icy Illuminated in the color Glazed, baby. That is my favorite highlight. I be trying not to use it because I will go crazy on this thing, honey child. Okay? Alright. So once we're done with the highlight, we're of course going to go ahead and add some inner corner. Now I kept picking this up. I didn't show it in the video, but I was like, do I want to go for it? And I was like, you know what? YOLO. So I went for it, and I love that I put that neon green pigment. This is also from Shanel Cosmetics. Right in that inner corner. Like, that is cute, baby. That's cute. I'm sorry, but I love that. So I went ahead into my lashes and all of that good stuff. I changed my top. Now we're about to do some lips. This is my Sistar Coco lip liner. And now I'm using my Ramona Joan Cosmetics liquid lipstick. And this is a matte liquid lipstick. That was the color Rebecca Lynn. And then this is my Morphe. Oh, what's the name of this? I think it's Chocolate. And y'all, that is the final look. I love how this came out. Don't forget to check out my other girls, their videos and their looks. And don't forget to join the Flower Gang. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.